Today's topic for discussion is mycoplasma. It is a smallest organism. Mycoplasmas are very small, ultra microscopic. That means it can be seen only under the electron microscope. Such organisms, and these are free living organisms belonging to molecules. Mycoplasmas are firstly discovered by Pasteur, name of the scientist Pasteur, in 1843. He named it as pleuropneumonia-like organisms. In short form of this, PPLO. Pleuro means many, pneumonia means pneumonia causing organism. Okay. Initially, Pasteur named this mycoplasma as pleuropneumonia-like organism, that is PPLO. But he failed to isolate it in pure culture. And in 1713, the pneumonia disease of cattle was very contagious, very serious at Germany and Switzerland, and the disease spread throughout the Europe in 18th century. And the mycoplasma, which is a very small organism as shown in the photograph, it is in 19th century, in 1898, when two scientists of French were studying about the disease of cattle, and the cattle was suffering from pleuropneumonia, and they took the fluid or blood of the cattle to test the reason of the disease of that cattle, and they found a microorganism in its blood which was totally different from microorganisms discovered before. That time the disease was highly contagious, highly serious, and was widespread disease in several parts of Europe during 19th century. The disease causing organism of cattle was different than bacteria. The French scientists were given the name as pleuropneumonia-like organisms. These pleuropneumonia-like organisms, in short called as PPLO, and this PPLO was found in cattle blood. It was aerobic organism. What is aerobic organism? Means the organisms which require oxygen for its survival. Those organisms are called aerobic organisms. Okay. This organism can be cultured on medium in the laboratory, and later on they were given the name as Mycoplasma mycoides. The name of the pathogenic organism which causes pneumonia disease of cattle was Mycoplasma mycoides. Okay. The first cultured form were sometimes spherical, sometimes changes shape, but these organisms also produced a wide variety of minute granular structures, thin branched filamentous structures, as well as many irregular forms as shown in the photograph due to continuous change in shape of the mycoplasma. It was confirmed that it is a pleuromorphic organism. That means it has no rigid cell wall. It can change its shape continuously. After discovery of PPLO or pleuropneumonia-like organism from cattle, it was reported from a variety of other organisms, other animals like sheep, goat, dog, rats, and mice. In animals, the PPLO produce symptoms like rheumatic pain, arthritic disease, infections of mammary glands, infection to respiratory tract, and inflammation of unrecognized system. Many types of diseases were discovered. Some PPLO also reported to cause a human disease. The mycoplasma, which causes pneumonia, pneumonia disease of human beings. It is a very common pathogen. Recently, it is causing pneumonia to the human beings. And a plant pathologist, Doi et al. In 1967 reported that about the mycoplasma, and which he has reported that this causes the diseases of plants. The list of diseases caused by mycoplasma were aster yellow, this is name of the disease, potato witch's broom, entire potato plant becomes broom like, dwarf disease of mulberry, that means mulberry plant remains short, spike disease of sandalwood. There are several types of diseases caused by mycoplasma has been reported. It has also discovered that many mycoplasma were saprophytic in nature, which can grow on decaying organic matter and sewage, etc. Let us see the characteristic features of mycoplasma here. Mycoplasmas they are unicellular, they are highly pleomorphic. They can change their shape without gap. Okay. Reproduction in mycoplasma takes place by budding method. At the time of reproduction, the mycoplasma produces small bud-like structures on its wall, and the buds are detached at maturity, and they develop into a new mycoplasma body. And it also reproduces by binary fission. The cell divides gradually into two daughter cells. And mycoplasmas are practically, they are very, very small, ultra microscopic, unicellular. Uni means one. Non-motile means there are no flagella. Motile structures are absent. Ultra microscopic, they can be seen only under microscope. They are prokaryotic organism because all the cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, all these are absent in this cell. Therefore, it is prokaryotic organism. Even the nucleus is not present. The nuclear material is freely suspended in the cytoplasm. Such type of structure of cell is there. It is a prokaryotic organism. It is a prokaryotic cell. Okay. It can grow on medium and produces a colony which resemble the fried egg in shape. Okay. And mycoplasma occurs in different forms. Different forms of mycoplasma as shown in the photograph. And it occurs in ring form, or it may be filamentous form, or the filament may be branched, like that. The cell wall is absent. Very important point. The cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. Cells are bounded by triple-layered unit membrane. They are filtrable through bacterial filters. The size of cell is about 125 to 250 nm. Okay. Some mycoplasma may reach a size of 0.5 to 1.0 μm. Mycoplasmas are highly resistant to penicillium but inhibited by tetracycline. Penicillium, it is an antibiotic which has no effect on mycoplasma, but the tetracycline, it is another antibiotic which can restrict the growth of mycoplasma. Okay. Mycoplasmas are inhibited by specific antibody, and mycoplasma require sterols for the growth and development. When you add a sterol into the medium, the growth of mycoplasma takes place very nicely. Okay. Mycoplasma contain both RNA and DNA. Mycoplasmas are variable in shape because the cell wall of mycoplasma is not rigid. They may be spherical. The mycoplasma may be spherical. Spherical means round, or polymorphic means it can change shape, or irregular filamentous form. Okay. Diameter of mycoplasma cell range between 0.3 to 0.99 μm. Okay. Cells are prokaryotic and do not contain true nucleus, because in the nucleus is absent. Well developed nucleus is absent. The nuclear material which is present in the cell openly, it is freely suspended in the cytoplasm. The nuclear material is freely, openly present in the cytoplasm of the cell because it is the prokaryotic cell. This is all about the mycoplasma. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.